In this video, we will show you how to use and set up the SpeedTronic-Web function. The SpeedTronic-Web function is a fully automatic speed control system for the sieve belts. It is based on two control mechanisms. First, the driving speed control. Here, the speed of the sieve belts is automatically adjusted to match the driving speed of the tractor. This ensures a consistent product flow within the machine. Second, the load control. In this case, the load on the sieve belts is monitored. If the load exceeds a certain set limit, SpeedTronic-Web will automatically increase the sieve belt speed to enhance screening performance and prevent any potential blockages. If the load decreases, the driving speed control takes over again. This combination enables gentle and performance-oriented harvesting without you having to intervene manually. To activate SpeedTronic-Web, go to the sieve belts page on the control terminal. In the upper right corner, you can turn the function on or off. Three values are crucial for setting up SpeedTronic-Web: the base speed of the sieve belts, the SpeedTronic target value, and the driving speed of the machine. The base speed of the sieve belts determines the minimum speed of the respective sieve belt. You can find the SpeedTronic target value at the top right. This value controls how much the sieve belt speed should be adjusted in relation to the driving speed. To make it easier to understand, if the base speed of the sieve belt is set to 1 km per hour and the SpeedTronic target value is at 100%, the sieve belt runs at the same speed as the machine. This applies when the tractor is driving faster than the set base sieve belt speed. Another example, if the sieve belt should always run 2 km per hour faster than the machine's driving speed, the base sieve belt speed must be increased by 2 km per hour. That is, set to 3 km per hour. Regardless of whether the machine is driving at 3, 4, or 5 km per hour, the sieve belt will always run 2 km per hour faster than the machine. This applies as long as the SpeedTronic setpoint is set to 100%. If the sieve belt speed of both sieve belts is to be carefully regulated and adjusted in relation to the current forward driving speed, the SpeedTronic setpoint must be set, since the machine's driving speed is multiplied by the SpeedTronic setpoint. When set to exactly 100%, the sieve belt runs at the same speed as the machine itself. At 10%, only 10% of the driving speed is added to the basic sieve belt speed, which makes the sieve belt run significantly slower than the actual speed of the machine. This is especially important on sandy soils that are easy to sieve, in order to keep enough soil in the machine. If the SpeedTronic setpoint is set to 150%, 150% of the machine speed is added to the basic sieve belt speed. This means that the sieve belt runs significantly faster than the machine. This is especially important on heavy, hard-to-sieve soils to ensure effective cleaning. In summary, if SpeedTronic-Web is activated, the basic sieve belt speed is set to 1 km per hour, and the SpeedTronic setpoint is at 100%, then the sieve belt runs at the same speed as the machine. If the basic sieve belt speed is more than 1 km per hour, the sieve belt will always run faster than the current driving speed of the machine, provided the SpeedTronic setpoint is higher than 100%. In contrast, the SpeedTronic setpoint automatically regulates and adjusts the sieve belt speed in direct proportion to the driving speed, so that the sieve belt can run at a significantly higher or lower velocity than the machine's driving speed. In this way, you can optimally adjust the sieve belt speed to your harvesting conditions, and you will be relieved of some of the workload. Wishing you much success in your season.